Which animal is this? Lion! Only a true animal lover will be able to name these 10 animals by images.
Let's go. Easy level.
Elephant. Next one. Giraffe. Like if you got all correct so far, medium level. Cheetah. Fifth one. Tiger. Sixth one. Zebra. Subscribe if you also like animals just like me. Hard level. Gorilla. Next one. Rhino. What about this one? Grizzly bear. Your score and the name of your favorite animal. Tell me in the comments. Last expert level. Answer in the comments.